I'm going to show you 2 things I want you to do today. To start your keto diet, I want you to find your macros, and I want you to download the app FitnessPal. Those are the 2 things you're going to do today. We're going to start this and we're going to kill it. Hello friends, we are going to do 2 things today. Figure out our macros, and we're going to install on our phone MyFitnessPal. That's our goal today. I typed into my Google search macro calculator. This one is ruled.me/keto-calculator/. Those are both forward slashes. I will have the link to the website below, so just look in the description and it'll be there. I'm going to go here. I want imperial, I don't want metric. I'm a female. I am 5'1.5", so I'm going to put 1 pounds. My current weight, I did not like my current weight this morning. It was 122. I want to lose probably about 12 more pounds. My current age, I am 53. What is your body fat percentage? I don't know exactly what my body fat percentage is. I'm going to use what they estimate are 25. That it is. I am sedentary because the most I do exercise-wise is walk, and that's on my job. I am thinking about, my husband has an elliptical. I'm thinking I need to start doing that a little more, but right now I might do that today. I'm not sure yet. Okay, what are my end goals of a ketogenic diet? They are to lose weight. Deficit do I want to lose? Never go above a 30% calorie deficit. And never go above a 15%. So I think 20 would be good. How many carbs do you want to consume? I like to consume 20 grams or less. I like to consume 20 net carbs or less. That's what I've been doing for the last 3 years, and that seems to be doing okay for me. I need to concentrate more, I think, on adding more vegetables into my diet and adding more exercise, and I think that will help me. Okay, we're now going to hit calculate, and it gives us our macros. How much should we be eating per day? So this is based on what information I put in. It says that for 982 calories, 76 grams should be fats, 20 grams carbs, 55 grams of protein. We're going to take that information, we're going to write it down, and then we're going to put it in the MyFitnessPal app. Alright, so I've opened up MyFitnessPal, and I'm going to take the information that I got from the website that we just went to get our macros. I'm going to go into my goal. I would love to be 102 pounds, but we're going to update our goals. Our current weight, we're going to change that. Yes, we're going to do, because I was 122 this morning. My goal weight 102. Activity level, not very active. I would love to lose 2 pounds per week. We're going to do our nutrition goals here. Our calories. It says I should be 982, so I'm going to save that. Carbohydrates would be 20 grams. We're going to go grams. We're going to change this to 20 grams. Just scrolling down. And our protein, we want to be 55 grams. And our fats should be 76 grams. So we're going to roll up to that. Okay, so again, I should have 76 grams of fat, 55 grams of protein, and 20 carbs. And I'm going to hit the little check mark so those have set. Now, that's my goals. Okay. Now, I'm going to go in and post what I have eaten today so far. My meals. My diary. Breakfast. For breakfast, I had some coffee. I had some MCT oil in it. And that is all that I had for my breakfast. So I'm going to hit the little check mark. And it adds it in there. Tells me I have 844 calories remaining. For lunch, I had ground beef. Ground beef, that's what we want. Ground beef. And half a pound, so a pound is 16 ounces, so it'll be 8 ounces. And hamburger. And I added my own taco seasonings. And I will I will give you a recipe on my taco seasonings. We'll make it in another video. Today, remember, our goals are just to find our macros, start adding our food to our diary. So right now it's changed. So far I have 204 calories left for today.